The future of R&D is being redefined by data science and artificial intelligence. Engineers now have the opportunity to lead this transformation. According to McKinsey, AI could contribute up to $13 trillion to the global economy by 2030, transforming industries like automotive and manufacturing. In collaboration with EICT IAT Guwahati, DIY Guru presents the Executive PG certification in Data Science and AI ML for R&D engineering applications, a 12-month live program designed to empower engineers with the skills to drive innovation. Tailored for engineers and R&D professionals, this program blends theory with hands-on applications through immersive live sessions. Master advanced data science techniques for R&D, manage complex data sets, and make data-driven decisions to optimize performance and reduce costs in industries like automotive and aerospace. Explore machine learning and AI to develop predictive models and optimize performance. Apply AI to solve complex challenges, enhancing efficiency across industries. Learn to harness predictive analytics for system optimization and maintenance modeling, key tools that reduce downtime and improve product development. Gain expertise in data engineering, building data pipelines, and managing complex data sets to drive impactful research. Cap off your journey with a capstone project, solving a real-world R&D problem using AI, machine learning, and data science. Join the program and take the next step towards mastering AI, ML, and data science for R&D engineering.